Hi everyone, it's October 19th of 2023. This is Crypto Chilbert and let's run through the markets. So it's been a pretty much crazy week with the fake announcement of ETF news, but if you look closely, you would think that they would have retraced this pump from here to here. We almost reached. Oh no, that was right here. Let's look actually at 12 hours, so you can kind of see a little bit better. Yeah, we went from 26 to close to 30,000, and then we retraced it back to about 28.2, but we're at 28.5, not looking bad. And I just got an epiphany today, and like this kind of looks closer and closer to how it looked in 2019, right? So right now we reached that peak. We might, keep going sideways for the next couple of months, and still we start blasting off, right? So we're right here. Say literally like toe for toe the same thing, which is pretty crazy. Yeah, I might dump to like 25, 24, but we're about to enter this like yellow phase on the squeeze momentum. We're finally exiting the red stage. Once we hit that yellow stage, we're going up to the moon, guys. I remember creating an exact video in 2019 saying, hey guys, we're about to like skyrocket. And I didn't believe myself when the way it skyrocketed was insane. So if you kind of look closely, this could actually be like we're toe for toe October, right? We're finally exiting out this damn bear market, and we're gonna go up. It's been terrible, I haven't lost so much money in my entire life. I lost millions because I never even took profit, so didn't really technically lose it. But if you look at the RSI, we're still like super undervalued, right? We're talking about you know, to be somewhere between April to March of 2020. So you kind of look closer on the 3 week. 3 week, we started going into the yellow territory already, right? So it could be that we just zoom up, right? But if we kind of look at 2019, put this a little bit higher. I think I needed that bigger screen, right? So October, let's say. Yeah, we're actually even better than 2019 October. Because that way we might just zigzag down, right? So we reached the peak of 12.6 and we down to like 3k because of the COVID-19 thing, right? So that's a black swan event. So we don't really know where this is gonna go, but to me it looks like we're gonna keep going up. Like, and we just flashed the yellow signal here too on the cross LB indicator. So we might actually have like a zoom up now. Like you're talking in the next 6 months to 12 months, we actually might hit the all-time high, and that's where you get out of the markets, right? I'm saying this now, and my dumbass doesn't listen to myself, but look at the MACD, right? Look at this top right here, super clear top. Look at the stock RSI, oversold. RSI oversold. It was at 91. You start seeing that in 90s, 80s, 90s. Get the fuck out. Right now we're still at 53, right? So I think it's commencing. And this is why you see BTC dominance going up. And to be honest, I was like, oh my god, I was comparing myself to Bitcoin all the time, and I just don't care anymore. At this point, I'm just looking at dollars. I'm not going to compare, oh, if I could get BTC, I was obsessed with that back in 2018, 2019. That then it hurt me. Instead of being obsessed with dollars, I was obsessed with collecting more Bitcoin. And to be honest, no. Bad move. This bull run, I'm just going to look everything in terms of what's the USD? Yeah, it helps like knowing that your outcome is gonna outperform BTC, such as Chainlink, right? Look at Chainlink, super undervalued right now. You look at the 1 month, it's finally gonna cross the MACD, right? On the positive side, it hasn't done it since 2019, right? So same kind of stuff. So we're finally approaching this massive bull run for Chainlink. This could 10x relative to Bitcoin, which could happen within the next year. And at that point, it might zoom up and then go back down, right? So might cause the next couple of months big Chainlink outperforms Bitcoin. Yeah, it looks perfect right now. Short term, yeah, in the 1 week looks kind of oversold, but I'm looking at 3 weeks to 1 month. I don't have time to be day trading, and this is not my forte. I've always been a long term investor. That way, I could kind of focus on what matters, which is gathering more income to buy more crypto. But to be honest, I'm pretty much done with that. Did a lot of my investment and trading last year. This year, I put a couple of thousand here and there, but to be honest, just preparing myself for the worst right now. So you don't know what's gonna happen. So 2 month chart chain link. Yep, super undervalued. Let's go look at Link USD. Let's go. 1 month undervalued. We're going to the moon. And we're going, like basically little by little, we're gonna go up. And from there, we're gonna keep going up. Boom, boom. Yeah, so, nothing too drastic. Ethereum has been kind of lagging with Bitcoin just because, everyone's obsessing with the Bitcoin ETF. So once we kind of go from there, we're just going to keep going up, right? So, yeah, short term still looks kind of weak. And even the long term, not looking the best, right? Compared to Chainlink, when you look at this in the one chart, this is already going to cross, right? And Ethereum is kind of like 3 steps back, which eventually will cross back into the upside, but in the short term, it's not looking great. This is why main stack is in Chainlink, second biggest stack Ethereum, and third biggest stack Bitcoin and Avalanche. Let's look at AVAX. AVAX has just been so depressing. I should have just gone after Sol, dude. I just love AVAX technology. I don't really screw around with Sol so much, so yeah. AVAX BTC, and it was doing well, and then the arena got hacked. So I was like, holy shit, dude. Anyways, that's it for me. Nothing too much, to be honest. Just like, let's see if this Bitcoin keeps maintaining these key levels, and we'll go from there.